In Nahjul Balagha, Imam Ali speaks of the tiny termite, a creature so small, yet so full of signs of Allah's power. He says,
Look at the termite, how it carves out its home in wood, moves in order and stores its food, though it has no strength, no tools and no clear sight.
Imam Ali reminds us that even in the smallest being, Allah's design is perfect. Each termite knows its task, its path, and its purpose, guided only by the wisdom of the Creator. From their discipline to their unity, Imam Ali teaches that humanity can learn from creation, to live with order, purpose, and harmony. The sermon of Imam Ali about termites isn't just about insects. It's about seeing the hand of God in every detail of life. He who understands creation understands the creator.